to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So आज मैं जा रही हूँ अपना हेयर कलर कराने. Like कुछ नहीं करवा अपने बालों को, हेयर कट नहीं, nothing. And the last hair color that I got was I think 4-5 years back, and when I look at those pictures now, I hate it. So I hope I get something good this time. So yeah, let's see. So that's what we are going today. I'm waiting for my dad. He'll be home in I think half an hour or so. So let's wait for him and like I just change and see what. Where are we, guys? This color. Okay guys, they have applied the color all over my hair now. I think I need to keep this for some time and then we'll wash it off. Hi guys, I was not able to vlog after last night because it got really late. It was like 10 and I did not have my dinner and my phone battery was low. It was like 2%. So I just came home, ate dinner and slept. Let me know what do you think about my hair transformation. I'm like still getting kind of like used to it because myself in like black hair. I was like small and like sudden change. I kind of like it. So yeah, it's okay. Like, you know, I wanted a change for a very long time. So I just went for it and yes. So I had my classes today. I finished editing and now I'm just like planning on getting ready and got my sister to a cafe. That's the only thing we want to do. That's the only thing left actually today. We just want to go out and like eat something. I just found a really cute cafe in CP. So we just wanted to go and explore. So that's what we are gonna do. So yeah, let's go. So we are heading towards the cafe now. I'm all ready and Coco is with us. Yeah. Here at the Cha Bar, it looks amazing actually. The place is filled with books and all. Can you like see? It's really good. And that's my sister. So yeah, the place looks amazing. We'll eat something and head out. Yeah, that's the plan. The pizza is very okay. We did not like it actually. We also ordered the fried fish. That was like really good. Like we finished it pura. The pizza is not that good, but that was really good. But if you like come to this place, make sure that you try the fried fish. Hi guys, it is day 3 today. And yeah, just ignore the background voice. My sister is watching Friends. So yeah, I just finished editing the Sarojinagar haul. I think it should be up till now, and yeah, I hope you guys have watched that video. If you haven't, I'll link that in my description box, so check that out. And yeah, abhi to I finished my video editing and now I have to complete my project work. Like I have a lot of college assignments which I have to finish, and yeah, so I'll just start doing that. I'm like trying and doing at least one project in a day so that I do not feel like the load. Otherwise क्या होता है that I just leave things to the end and then I start stressing about it and like I just get very stressed out about it. I'll just try and finish that because I need to go out and yes. So firstly, if you have like seen my Sarojinagar haul, you know that I got this jacket from there and I wanted to like wear this today. So as I told in the video also that it has the stain. This has not gone even after like 2 washes. And so what I'm thinking of doing is I'll like put some black paint on it and I'm just hoping that it should not be visible. So this is the black acrylic colors. I am just like trying. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I'm just like jugaad. Did it, so I think it looks good. Like the stain is gone, and I think I just keep it for 10-20 minutes so that it gets dried and the stain is like gone. I think yeah, that was the only solution I had. So you guys, when it gets dried, how it looks. I hope it does not look weird because I just don't have any other option and I really like this jacket. So okay guys, so I'm finally ready. We are heading out. We are going to Gurgaon. So yes, I'm all ready. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this denim jacket which I told you I'm going to paint. So the mark is not visible. This looks weird, but that's not really that visible. So yeah, I kind of like my today's look, and because my hair was like blow dried because of the hair color, so my hair is in place. Otherwise, it's really very frizzy. So yeah, I'm kind of happy about this. So yeah, let's go. So I'm finally in the mall. This is the Ambience Mall. It's a really good mall, and my father needed to buy a few things. So, and he also needed to get a few things. So we are just here. So yeah, let's see what we shop. Let's do it. So I'm here at the Body Shop, and I need to get a few things. So I'm this one. This mango green, and this is my favorite one. Hi guys, so I finished shopping at the Ambience Mall. I bought some stuff that I really liked, and now we are here for dinner at Cyber Hub Social. It's a really cool place. I'll just show you guys around in a minute. And yeah, we just finished ordering food. I'm really hungry. यार बहुत भूख लग गई मुझे. So yeah, see. Basically very safe area of sitting, and like there's no one around, so it's like we are maintaining physical distancing. Hi mama. Okay guys, so we are at Banaras, the shop, and they have these, they're selling pan. So we are here, and we have ordered mango pan. So yeah, let's see how it is. We are making our mango pan. Someone else has ordered iced pan. They have like a lot of variety. Like this is their menu. There's so much variety. So yeah. कैसा है बाबा? कैसा है? Okay, now it's my turn to try the pan. Yeah. पूरा खाना है. It's actually good. Okay guys, next morning.
Gets what he wants, and he has a person for every.
My lecture. So guys, it's the next morning, and my lectures have started. I'm just attempting back and having my milk. I'm not like a popular tea person, so I just have milk in the morning. So yeah. So it is lunchtime now. I'm super excited about the lunch today. It looks delicious. So this is my chole, roti, dal. We have white rasgulla. This is shahi tukda, and this is murabba. I don't know what you call this, but yeah, this is my lunch. I'm super excited about this. So yeah. I just took a bath, and yeah, I just started studying because I have an exam tomorrow. I was just revising what I have to do, and I'm having mango. Just let me know why. I don't know, I'm like that person who eats like upper ka part, but I've seen some people also eating the chilka. So which type of mango eater are you? Just let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'll just enjoy my mango and see you. मैंगो खाएंगे whenever I eat. जैसे मैं कुछ खाने बैठी तब भी ही कम, otherwise he does not care. Okay, someone is staring at me. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so it's the next day today. I just got ready and I'm going to start shooting for my Instagram. I was not able to shoot for like 2-3 days because I had so much college ka kaam. So yeah, that's why. So let's do this. Hi guys. Okay, so it's the last day today. So for today, I just got done with my lectures. I just got a text from this girl. If you don't know, I freelance as a model. So yeah, and yeah, so this girl, there's this makeup workshop in Delhi. This makeup artist, I don't remember her name actually. I'll just put her Instagram here so you can check that. So she's having her workshop. So the people who participate, who like take part in the workshop, they have to bring models to form their makeup skills on. So this girl approached me so that I can be her model. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. We were actually planning on going for lunch, so we decided that we will go have lunch and then I'll go and attend the event. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I'll just go change and see you in the car. Oh my god, just look at the desert they have. Oh my god, I love deserts. I'm so addicted. Hey guys, so the makeup is done as you can see and I'm heading back home. It took me I think 2-3 hours. So yeah, that was it for today. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Like it takes so much time that you sit on the chair and they do your makeup. But yeah, all done. I'm heading back home now. And yeah, I think that's also it for the vlog. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys again. Bye.